Look at this. Started just a few days ago and it already has thousands of followers. And check out these videos. Some of them are getting hundreds of thousands of views, even reaching lakhs. Right now, AI mini rescue shorts are growing insanely fast, and even brand new creators are going viral with this content. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create cinematic AI rescue shorts for free. This is what I have created in just a few minutes. Number 1, generate viral story ideas. Open ChatGPT. Now type Mini World ASMR. Click search. Now here's what most beginners do wrong. They pick the first idea randomly. Don't do that. Instead, scroll and look for something that feels emotional, mysterious, or slightly new, dark, and cinematic. That's what actually performs well. Pick one idea. Now copy the title of that story and paste it back into ChatGPT. Then type write a cinematic storytelling script with scene-by-scene breakdown and image prompts. Now wait, ChatGPT will generate your full cinematic story. Now your content foundation is ready. Step 2, generate cinematic images. Now open Google Flow. This is where your story becomes visuals. In the settings, choose your desired setting. As I'm generating 9:16 image for result, keep it 2. Take the first image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow. Click Generate. It will generate 2 images for you. Now stop for a second and observe. This is your first cinematic frame. It sets the entire mood of your video. For the second image generation, paste the prompt and drag the desired image as a reference.
Now, repeat until all the images are ready. Number 3, turn images into video. Go back to ChatGPT. Type write cinematic animation prompts for every scene. ChatGPT will now give you motion prompts for each image. Now, copy the first animation prompt, go back to Google Flow, click the 3 dots, and click Animate. Paste the prompt. Before generating, make sure video mode is selected. Frames, 9:16. For result, keep 1 and select OmniFlash. Time duration, 4 seconds, as it will only take 7 credits. Then hit Generate. Wait a few seconds. Your first cinematic scene is ready. Now repeat this system. Copy the prompt, click 3 dots, click Animate, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. Continue for all scenes. Once all the clips are ready, download them. Step 4, final editing. Now open your editing software. I'm using CapCut. Import all your video clips. Arrange them in correct story order. Now, this is where most people fail. They just stitch clips together. But you need to add emotion. And final export video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, because I will be uploading more AI video creation tutorials like this. See you in the next one.